Hello guys, welcome to Max channel. This lesson we will learn about how to find the general term of a sequence. In last lesson, we have learned about the arithmetic sequence and the geometric sequence. So we know the formula of the general term of these two type sequences. And we also learn about the recurrence relationship. For example, if initial term is 1 and an plus 1 equals an plus n. So when n is equal to 1, a2 equals 1. And if n is 2, so a3 equals a2 plus 2. If n is 3, a4 equals a3 plus 3 equals 7. But if we want to get a100, so we find if we use this method, it's too hard to get a100. So we must solve this problem, and we can find the general term of this sequence, and then it's easy to get a100. So at first we need to move an from right to left of this equation. So this equation changes, and then we know the previous term of this equation is an minus 1 equals n minus 1, and we also know this. So we can write it by this method. So we know a2 minus a1 equals 1. And then we can get the sum of left of this equation. So all term cancel except the last term and the first term. So the left of this new equation is an minus a1, and the right of this new equation is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1. So an minus a1 equals, we know this is the sum of the first n terms of arithmetic equation. So the result is this. So an equals cos a1 equals 1. So an equals this expression. And then we can get a100 is this. And then it's easy to get this final result. So this is the kind of method to how to find the general term. If initial term is 1 and an plus 1 equals an times 2 to the power of n. So, if we want to get the general term of this equation, we need to divide both sides of this equation by an. So the new equation is this. And then we know the previous term of this equation is an divided an minus 1 equal 2 to the power of n minus 1. And an minus 1 divided by an equals 2 to the power of n minus 2. So we can write outterm as this method, and then we get the product of this fraction. So all term cancel except an and a1. Because a1 equals 1, so an equals 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 2 times until 2 to the power of n minus 1. And then we know the result is this. So the first method we can call it addition, and the second sequence we can the second method to get the general term we can call it multiplying. Actually, there are many methods to get the general term of a sequence. But today we just learn these two types. So this is all content we need today. See you next time. Thank you.